Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna try to cook a food using this cooker set. I have here a folding mini stove that I bought for 100 yen in Japan, and I have this solid fuel and a solid fuel holder and cooker. Looks like a lunchbox. It's a stainless that I bought for 280 yen. So let's see if I can cook rice using these materials. First, you have to assemble the folding mini stove to look like this. And there's an instruction how to do it. By just looking at the picture, you can assemble this. Then, take out one fuel from this plastic bag and put this fuel in the solid fuel tray. Then put them into the mini stove. Be sure it's at the center. Wash and rinse 1.5 cups of rice or 270 ml of rice in the container and soak it for 30 minutes. Or you can go beyond 30 minutes to 1.5 hours, but I use 30 minutes for trial. Burn the fuel. And place the rice on it. And cover it. So you need a heavy things on top of it, if you can. I place canned coffee drinks on top of it, and I will have a hot coffee later. That's cool. Now let's check what happened after more than an hour until it runs out of fuel. Let's open it. Oh, it's hot. Wow, look at that. It's nice. Okay, let's mix it. Whether it is cooked or not. And let me taste it. Quite good. It's cooked. Nice. Nicely done.